Welcome to ClearOne University and the StreamNet View Pro Certified Product Specialist course. In this module, we'll be covering audio and video features. In this illustration, you'll see that the View Pro encoders have many audio-video input options. We'll discuss a couple of them now. You have two channels of analog audio balanced input. You have two channels of unbalanced analog audio input. You have digital USB audio inputs, and you have digital HDMI, both audio and video inputs. Now, one thing to consider, all of these inputs that we just described and that you're looking on the slide are separate streams. In this slide, there's a screenshot from the StreamNet dealer setup software. This allows you to set up presets and link audio and video inputs on an encoder with a particular stream type that you're making as a stream profile. For example, if I have a pan, tilt, zoom camera that has an HDMI output and I want to connect a microphone via a balanced input, this is the screen and this is where you would create that type of a link in the dealer setup software. In this slide, there's an illustration showing the View Pro decoder audio outputs. And similar to what you saw on the encoder inputs, you have many types. So let's go over them. So you have a two-channel balanced analog audio output. You have a two-channel unbalanced analog audio output or a mini toslink digital audio output. The reason that's an OR is that's on the same connector. So you select whether you want to use unbalanced analog or digital toslink. There's also digital USB audio outputs. Of course, there's a digital HDMI output that has both video and audio digitally on that output. One more thing you'll notice on this slide, and that there's a two-channel unbalanced audio input. That's a highly unusual feature for a decoder, but that allows you to do many applications that we'll discuss in a future slide. A very compelling feature of the View Pro decoder with the audio input is using that to bring the audio from a smart TV application such as Skype or Netflix and take that and encode it over the Internet Protocol, where you could then bring it back off of at any network point, including our View SpeakerLink amplifiers. In the StreamNet dealer software, you can create very advanced stream types. And in the streams that you create, you have many choices and options, including what the resolution of that window will be, whether you're using RTSP as a stream type, what type of controls are you using, such as serial controls for a PTZ camera. And you can also set things such as maximum stream latency. In the StreamNet dealer software, you can create very advanced stream types. And in the streams that you create, you have many choices and options, including what the resolution of that window will be, whether you're using RTSP as a stream type, what type of controls are you using, such as serial controls for a PTZ camera. And you can also set things such as maximum stream. Within digital video, you have three types of frames that you're generally working with. I-frames or intra-coded frames, which have the full chrominance and luminance data. P-frames, which are predictive frames that are generally using the motion in a preceding I or P frame, and B frames, which are also bidirectional predictive coded frames, which can be created by the difference in a preceding or a future I or P frame. Of course, I'm sure you would expect nothing less from ClearOne, the leader in audio, not to give ViewPro powerful Pro audio presets. So in ViewPro, you can do fully uncompressed audio, or you can also make presets for compressed audio with any bitrate to 320 kilobits. You can also do any sample widths from 11 to 192 kilohertz. And those are unlimited amounts of streams that you can make. And again, of course, we do have an uncompressed linear PCM mode as well. We're now ready to take the quiz on this module. The next module is for AV control features.